Hello English learners, let's learn the difference between because and because of in today's video. But before that, let us understand what are these actually called. Because is used as a conjunction in a sentence and because of is actually a two-word preposition. So further conditions we will understand with the help of these 5 examples which have been displayed here. So without any further delay, let's get started. First question. We stayed inside, blank it was raining. We stayed inside because it was raining or we stayed inside because of it was raining. Which one is right, guys? So listen here. Because is used as a conjunction and this conjunction is carried forward with a phrase. Phrase in the sense it's a fusion of subject and a verb. In a very fancy word, we can just conclude with a term called main clause. Because of is used whenever the blank in a sentence is carried forward with a noun. Fine? Or it can also be a noun phrase. Clear? So these are the conditions here. So let us apply these conditions in this sentence. We stayed inside, blank it was raining. It is a subject was raining is clearly a verb. A fusion of subject and a verb satisfies the conditions for the usage of because. So the answer is because here. We stayed inside because it was raining. I hope it's clear, right? Let us move to the next question now. We stayed inside blank the rain. We stayed inside because the rain or because of the rain. Which one is right? See, the blank is carried forward with the rain. The rain is clearly a noun. Okay, it's a noun phrase here and verb has no role to play in this sentence. Fine. So here we use because of. We stayed inside because of the rain. Next. He got the job blank he has great experience. He got the job blank he was great experience. Because or because of. See here. He is a subject, has is a verb. Great experience is just used as a noun here. It's not a verb. So subject and phrase clearly satisfies the conditions of because, right? So we go with the option because. He got the job because he has great experience. Clear? Next, he got the job blank his great experience. Third and fourth question sound the same, but definitely it's not. Here his and great experience, his is just a noun. Great experience is just a noun. It's not a verb. It's clearly a noun phrase here. Fine. So as per the rules, we go with because of. He got the job because of his great experience. I hope it's clear. Last question. I was late blank the heavy traffic. Because the heavy traffic or because of the heavy traffic? The heavy traffic. Think on this and let me know the answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.